most beautiful of these designs dresses. And if you want to watch more designs like this, so just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you are exploring this video, and I hope that you are going to love these collections, or you are going to find these collections is very helpful, you very useful for you. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dresses designs, ideas, so much is all about this fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them here of you on half of you. So my viewers, if you're loving this amazing plus size mother of the bright dresses, laces, blouses, chicken blouse designs, ideas, and unique new videos and stylish amazing collections, adjust my channel. So please like my video, subscribe to my channels if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channels, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos, and you will never miss any video and collections on my channels. And I will try to bring useful videos and useful ideas for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how was the video, how the designs, which type of more collections and more different styles and different ideas, which type of videos are my useful for you. And please support me by sharing my videos with your friends, with your relatives, and thanks for your applications on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring you more useful videos and my useful ideas to you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channels for more videos, for more ideas and amazing collections, and don't forget to like and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and also give your feedback in the comment section. So you will see the stylish and latest and amazing latest latest dress designs, best stylish 40 plus size women dress designs and blouse designs at my channel. So unique new best summer tops designs, summer unique tops, created sleeve blouse designs, ideas, and laces, full sleeves, very stretchy and party wear chiffon dresses, laces, dress and chicken blouse designs, ideas, most beautiful plus size women dresses, mother of the bridegroom, chicken blouses, laces sheet, full sleeve, half sleeves, full neck designs, and most gorgeous chiffon laces blouses designs. Enjoy my all videos guys. Thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos, and don't skip my videos. And how much beautiful, latest and unique and creative and stylish all best beautiful dresses, floral laces, chicken blouse design, solid skated dresses, solid blouse design, visual designs, and just my channel. Your collections and unique new videos and unique new stylish always dress designs, and just my channel. Thank you so much viewers. Don't skip my videos and enjoy my all videos. See you.